The Attorney General and Minister for Justice, Madam Gloria Akuffo, says the Ministry of Justice and Attorney General is looking into a 7-year tenure of office for the Office of the Special Prosecutor to ensure that an incumbent government does not have any political influence over its works. Madam Gloria Akuffo was answering questions on the responsibilities of the Office of the Special Prosecutor.
Establishment of the Office of the Special Prosecutor is one of the measures that the President has instituted to curb corruption within government. The Attorney General and Minister for Justice, Ms. Gloria Akuffo, says the Special Prosecutor will be independent of the executive.
The issue has been raised as to how independent the prosecutor can be. It lies in the fact that the Attorney General, regarding those specific offences that will be farmed out to the Special Prosecutor, would not exercise the powers of nolle prosequi. Under the law, the Attorney General has got power without explanation to end proceedings at any stage. But to give that true independence to the Special Prosecutor in respect of those offences under the mandate of the Office of the Special Prosecutor, the Act will contain a provision that will forbid the Attorney General from entering nolle prosequi. Again, as part of its independence, the tenure of office will not coincide with the term of the appointing government. So, for example, we are considering a one term of 7 years so that it will not coincide with that of the appointing government, and therefore it will not be easy for that regime to, once it goes, for another regime to come and remove the office holder. Again, the bill proposes a procedure for removal, which will not just be administrative. You have to go through processes. There must be a prima facie case. A committee must be set up to investigate whether or not the charges are maintainable.
Ms. Gloria Akuffo says although security agencies such as the police and the Economic and Organized Crime Office (EOCO) are mandated to investigate corruption scandals in the public sector, it is not feasible for these institutions to probe all such cases.
We have noticed that EOCO is a multi-mandated entity, and therefore it's overloaded with a lot of work, such that in our estimation, corruption and corruption-related offences are not getting the desired attention. For that reason, government has considered it necessary to carve out offences that relate to corruption so that it can get that attention.
The minister said a bill will soon be passed in Parliament for the establishment of the Office of the Special Prosecutor. A stakeholders meeting will also be held on the 26th to the 29th of June this month.